hope all of you are fine. Children, in previous class, you have learned how to write numbers from 1 to 100. And you have also learned how to write before numbers, after numbers and between numbers. Yes or no, children? Did you all remember? Okay, now today we are going to learn about building of numbers up to 200. Okay? See, look at the board, children. This is called to be as one grid. Okay? In this grid, one strip contains 10 blocks. Means totally 100 blocks are there in one grid. Okay? One grid equal to 100 blocks. Okay. What is this blocks, children? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Likewise, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, totally 10 into 10, how much? 100. So, one grid contains 100 blocks. Okay, children? One grid contains 100 blocks. And one strip contains 10 blocks. Okay. These are two strips here. Yes or no? And see here, how many blocks are there? Single blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, you can represent this grid as 100. Okay? How many? 100. You have to write this as 100. Okay. And here, how many strips are there? 2 strips. Means, one strip is called to be a 10. So, how many tens are there here? 2 tens are there. You have to write 2 tens. Okay. Here, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many blocks are there? 4. So, you have to write here 4 ones. Okay. How many are there? Blocks. How many ones are there? 4 ones. So, you have to write 4 ones. Up till now, you understood. Okay. So, now we have to place a place value chart. Okay. You have to draw neatly a place value chart. And you have to write ones, tens, hundreds. Understood? You have to write ones, tens, hundreds. And now you have to place the number in the chart. Okay. So how many hundreds are there here? 100. So you have to write here 100. How many tens are there here? 2 tens. You can write 2 tens. How many ones are here? 4 ones. So you have to write here 4. So what is the number called to be? 124. 124. Okay. I will draw one more 10. Okay. I will draw one more 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, how many tens are here? You can write 3 tens. Okay. And I am adding one more block. One more 1 I have added. So, how many ones are here? 5 ones are here. Yes? Here only 100. Okay. Now, how you will write this number? 1 more. Okay. Now, in this 100's place, you can write the same 100. How many tens are there? 3 tens. How many ones are there? 5 ones. So, the number is what? How you will call this number? 135. 135. Understood, children? Now see how many grids are there? 2 grids are there. Means one grid have 100 blocks. Likewise, 2 grids are there. Yes, this grid has 100 blocks. This grid has 100 blocks. Means how many grids? 2 grids. Means 200. Okay, what is this? 200. How many hundreds are there? 200. So what you will write? 2 in hundreds place. And tens place anything is there? Any strip is there? Not there. So you have to write 0 in tens place. In ones place any ones are not there. Yes. So you have to write 0 in ones place. So the number becomes how much? 200. Likewise, if suppose 3 grids are there, you can write 300. Understood? So you can form like that numbers. Put your class work notebooks. Yes. Open new page. Write down building numbers up to 200. Okay. Heading building numbers up to 200. And then write down exercise 1. Fill in the circles. Okay. You have to fill in the circle. So first one. 6, 7. What is the number given? 6, 7. So here you have to see from the right side. Okay. So 7, 6. 7 is in which place? Ones place. 6 is in tens place. Yes. So what you have to do? You have to write 7 in ones place. 6 in tens place. Okay. What you have to do? 7 in ones place. 6 in tens place. So how many tens are there? 6 tens are there. How many ones are there? 7 ones are there. Okay. Next one. 1, 9, 8. How you will tell the number? 198. 198. So here how many ones are there? 8 ones. Write down 8 ones. How many tens are there? 9 tens. Yes. And how many hundreds are there? 100. So write down 100. So how you will say? 100, 9 tens, 8 ones. 198. Okay. Next number 108 means 108. 108. Here ones 8. You have to write 8 ones. Tens how many are there? 0. Nothing is there. You have to write 0 tens. And 100. You have to write 100. In ones place 8 is there. In tens place nothing is there. So you have to write 0. And in hundreds place 1. So you have to write 1. 100, 0 tens, 8 ones. 108. Okay. Next one 4, 3. How many ones are there? 3 ones. Write down 3 ones. 4 tens. You have to write 4 tens. Did you all understand, children? You can pronounce it as 43. Okay. Did you understand, all of you? So now all of you copy down in your classwork notebook. All of you take out your homework notebook and copy down these 3 numbers. Okay? You have to complete these circles. Okay, your homework is repeat the classwork in homework as well as you have to complete the other 3 numbers which I have given. Understand? Thank you. Have a nice day.